Title: Why Evidence Weakens Without Definition. Courts require three things to address harm: a named population, a documented injury, and a fixed historical record. In the United States, the documented injury of slavery was recorded as Negro slavery against a specifically classified population. When population definition changes without a formal evidentiary bridge, the chain connecting descendants to that recorded harm weakens. This does not erase the harm. It makes the harm harder to prove across generations. That is why definition matters. Sources and citations referenced in this documentary will be published separately on theblacktube.com. Please check back for the link once the documentary series is complete. Thank you for watching.